Hi everyone, this is the third lesson on the topic calendars. In the second lesson, we are done with one of the models, and in this lesson, we are going to discuss two important models, among which the second model you will observe a question this way: on which dates of September 2009 did Thursday come? How to solve this question? I want you to calculate 1st September 2009. If you are able to say which day of a week it was, based on that, we can find one of the Thursdays. Once we get one of the Thursdays, we can find the remaining Thursdays in the given month. Let us see how. Let us calculate 1st September 2009. In the previous model, we learned this calculating the given date. Now, date same as date 1. In the place of month, I want you to write its month code. September month code is 5, and then the century code. As the given year belongs to 21st century, 21 by 4, as your remainder is 1, your century code will be 6. Number of years. We have to write the respective year of the given century. As this is the ninth year of this century, number of years are to be written as 9. Number of leap years among 9 years. 9 when divided by 4. As we know that for every 4 years there will be a leap year. So how many 4s do we have among 9? 2. And this is the only place in this topic where we have to go with the quotient. And calculating the given date been clearly explained in lesson 2. If you are not comfortable calculating these things, please go through that video. Please watch that video. Everything been explained in detail. Now, so 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 9 plus 2. Sum of all these things gives you 23. 23 when divided by 7 gives you a remainder 2. As we got remainder as 2, we can definitely say that it's a Tuesday. When 1st September 2009 is a Tuesday and we want a Thursday, second will be a Wednesday, third will be a Thursday. So first Thursday is on 3rd. Next will be on 10th, and then 17th, and then 24th. I want you to calculate accordingly. And let us move on to the next model, third model from this topic. And this is again one of the important models from this topic. You will find a question this way: if 24th July 2391 is a Friday, then find which day of a week will be on 19th March 2399. Let us see how to solve this one. As you are given, if 24th July 2391 is a Friday, what does it mean? As we cannot predict 24th July 2391 is a Friday or not, I want you to calculate the given date and I want you to find which day of a week it is. Let us try to find this first. And then we have to calculate 19th March 2399 accordingly. Let us get into the question. These are the month codes and these are the century codes. 24th 7 2391. These are your 5 values. 24 date same as date. In the place of month, as it's July, month code will be 6. Century code, the given year belongs to 24th century. 24 by 4, as we got remainder as 0, your century code will be 0. Number of years 91. Leap years among 91 years are 22. Once you add all these things, you will get 143. So 143 when divided by 7 leaves you a remainder 3, which itself says that third day of a week and it's a Wednesday. Now, in the given question that it's a Friday, but we have got as a Wednesday. Let us understand this. The actual day is a Wednesday, but you are given a Friday. If you look at the difference between these two, Wednesday plus 2 gives you a Friday. In the same way, we have to calculate 19, 3, 2, 3, 9, 9. And that particular day plus 2 gives your answer. So let us calculate this. Date same as date 19, month code it's 3, century code 0, number of years 99, and leap years among 99 years are 24. And sum of all these things gives you 145. Now 145 when divided by 7 gives you a remainder 5. So it's a Friday. As 5 is a Friday, your answer will be 5 plus 2. I mean Friday plus 2, which gives you a Sunday. Now we are going to discuss another method to solve the same thing. Once you get used to solve it this way, I can promise you that you can solve this question in less than 15 seconds. Depends upon your practice. And this is a wonderful method to solve this question in less time. 24th July 2391. If it is a Friday, we have to calculate 19th March 2399. 24 and 19. Let's look at the given two dates, 24 and 19. What is the difference between these two? 5. When you observe a decrease, I want you to go with a minus. When you observe an increase, I want you to go with a plus. So 24 to 19, as the value reduced, I want you to go with a minus, and I want you to write it as minus 5. As far as the given months are concerned, I want you to go with their month codes. July month code is 6 and March month code is 3. Difference between these two, 6 to 3, as the value reduced, we have to write it as minus 3. And then difference between the given years, 91 and 99. From 91 to 99, as you observe an increase, I want you to go with a plus. And difference between these two is 8. So let me write it as plus 8. And then number of leap years between the given two dates. How many leap years that you observe among 91 years? 22. Number of leap years that you observe among 99 years? 24. Now difference between these two is 2. From 22 to 24, as the value increased, I want you to write it as plus. And the difference between these two is 2. So I want you to write it as plus 2. Now when you add these four values, minus 5, minus 3, plus 8, and then plus 2, you will be left with plus 2. So your answer will be Friday plus 2, which gives you a Sunday. We are done with the third lesson from this topic. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.